It's time to cut some soap, and we're starting out with our pineapple pop that me and my little cousin slash god sister made, Deborah, yesterday. And then we have our samples here, and these are in the shape of Christmas ornaments or whatever, but who cares? They're just samples. So let's pop this out of the mold if we can. It's always one side of my soap says like sticking, and then the other side is perfect, but we'll fix that. This top is so pretty. I'm proud of her for her first time. She did a really, really good job. My goodness. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Where did this come from? Let's try to get this out. It looks like something's sticking to the bottom. That's fine. Maybe I didn't put enough sodium lactate in it, but we're getting this out of this mold today. Let's pull the other side and push as well. Oh, there we go. So, as you can see, the bottom didn't stay in. So, we're just going to smooth that back in there. I'm going to flip it towards me, and then we'll smooth it out and cut it. Unless you want to see. You can't really flip it on top. So we're just going to take a piece, stick it where it fits in, and smooth it out. So I'm going to pause you guys while I do that, and then we'll come back for the cut. Okay, bugs, after struggling to get this out of the mold and fixing it, as you can see, I filled in the spots. So this soap is going to be very, very delicate, and I'm just going to scrape off those ends anyway, so they're not going to be much of a problem. It's still soft for some reason, but it'll harden up quickly. I'm not too worried. Just want to get this excess off of here so we can cut into pineapple pop and Deborah can see her creation. So let's cut a little slither off of the end. Well, actually, I'll let this one. Yeah, I'm going to cut the slither off. I kind of smucked it up right there, but I can fix that also. Okay. So this is how this bar looks. The rest of it. And I'll use that just in case. And there are any more spots I need to fill in. Be very careful with this soap. It has those cold and hot process chunks inside. This came out very cute. I'm proud of her. And once this hardens a little bit, we'll clean up the sides and bevel it some so it can be pretty. I'm gonna have to fix the top as well. Make sure these soap pieces stay in. This is the other side. So she chose gold and white for her colors. She wanted to do a confetti piece, but she didn't want the entire soap, excuse me, to be confetti. So this is what she chose, and that's what we did. So the top is Sahara Gold. And then obviously the bottom is TD. And it has soap slices or shards from previous soaps that I have made in the past. And these are hot and cold process soap shreds, or chunks rather. I'm just filling up a hole right here on the side. We're going to have to clean that up also. Okay. I'll clean that little piece up also. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.